Hi everyone, and welcome back to bakkainenpinoytv. This is me again, Jen. I'm your host today, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Budbud. This is a Cebuano version of Suman, so let's start. In a large nonstick pan over medium heat, I'm going to pour the coconut milk. Next, we're going to add the glutinous rice. So guys, I already washed this earlier. Next, add 1 cup white sugar, half teaspoon salt. I'm also adding 1 thumb size sliced ginger. Ginger adds flavor to the suman, so you better not skip this one. Now I'm just gonna stir it until the sugar is well dissolved, and I'm going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the liquid is reduced and the rice is half cooked. This is done, so I'm going to turn off the heat and I will remove it from the pan. I've already cleaned the banana leaves earlier. Now I'm going to pass it over on a gas flame to make it soft. Just remember to do it on both sides, and I'm going to repeat the same procedure to the remaining banana leaves. Now I'm just gonna clean it again using paper towel. Just remove some of the strands of the banana leaves, and we're going to use it later. Put about 2 heaping tablespoons of cooked rice on the banana leaf and shape it into a log, leaving about 1 inch on the side. Now it's time to remove those visible ginger on the mixture. Then I'm rolling the banana leaves tightly to form a log. Next, I'm going to fold the edges to seal. So now we'll just keep on going. I will do the same procedure on the remaining mixture. Next, I'm going to put 2 pieces together and I'm going to tie it with the banana leaf string. Next, I'm gonna put it in a steamer basket over boiling water and I'm going to steam it for 35 to 45 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. Once it's done, remove it from the steamer and allow it to cool down. Here's our budbud. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks like, and you can actually serve this with hot chocolate for your afternoon snack or breakfast. Wow, look at this, guys. It's perfect. Now I'm gonna try it. It's so delicious. There you have it. That's budbud. This is a Suman Bisaya. I hope you can try this recipe. For those who's craving for this delicacy, if I can do it, I'm sure you can also do this. So thank you guys for watching. Click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when we have new video release. And visit our website at www.bakkainenpinoytv.com to get the full recipe. To be updated, you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook page at bakkainenpinoytv1, where we release daily videos. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!